Is it a good idea or is it a bad idea? You tell me. Ladies, gentlemen, Mr. Wild here, Wild Homesteading. Some good news. We've saved the beehive after that disaster that we had earlier. There's a little snapshot for you of what happened. And we've also found a use for the trampoline, albeit trampoline frame. Have a look. Hey, ain't she a beauty? So now we've got the aviary back up. It's nice and taut, tie-wide onto this frame, which is tie-wide on two spots to a stump and a tree. Whether it was the cattle or the wind, we've averted both with this, I believe. I can tell you, we've had some gnarly gusts through here. Sheets of corrugated iron flying and bits going around, but otherwise we've held up. The shack is good. The split the beer Adam shed is good. We've come through it. Anyway, this is the fix. The queen's definitely in there. The bees are loving it. We've got some bee feed here, which is sugar water and some of the bee probiotics. Very worthwhile getting bee probiotics if you can get it. You add a little bit in there and they love it. It helps keep them healthy and strong. Gives them the best chance of surviving. It's a win. We got through this one. Quite lucky. And some people might go, oh, the aviary is a bit of an overkill. Yeah, I know they can be out in the weather. But my thought is we get some pretty harsh summers out here. The better I can protect it from the weather, the longer this beehive will last. Is it a good idea or is it a bad idea? You tell me. I like it. Yeah, it might look crooked. You have a look. But that beehive, I've done the leveling check again once I restored it. It is level. It's just the ground's all over the place. The aviary follows the ground. I don't think the bees are going to complain too much about the aesthetics of it. I ain't. It's the functionality, and I believe it's functional. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, have a good day. Mr. Wild, out.